JobWatch is the fully customizable mobile resource management tool which allows resources to complete jobs of any type. Resources can fill in timesheets and driver checks before starting a job, complete worksheets whilst on the job such as risk assessments, take before and after pictures, and populate other industry standard worksheets. Typically, at the end of a job, a resource passes their tablet to a customer to sign off a job. However, there may be cases where passing your device to someone else isn't practical or possible, for example, for hygiene reasons or because the customer currently isn't on site. BigChange is proud to provide contactless technology which is a first of its kind, and we call it no-touch signature capture. When completing a job, resources have an option to use no-touch signature capture with 3 innovative ways of sending a link to the customer. 1. Generating a QR code which can be scanned by the recipient. 2. For those who use tablets provided by BigChange or use a device with a data-only SIM and wish to send an SMS, the SMS can be sent via the BigChange servers. 3. Sharing the link with other applications installed on the device. Using remote signing on a job. When any of the no-touch signature capture options have been enabled, the resource will be presented with an option above the signature box for no-touch signing. When selected, a secure link will be generated. A QR code will be displayed on screen. A prompt to confirm mobile number for an SMS, which we will pre-populate if the job contact has a mobile provided. A prompt confirming which application you wish to share the link via, such as email or WhatsApp. Signing for a job remotely. When the customer receives the link and clicks on it, an optimized version of the booking site will be displayed in their browser. Job details are displayed. They can input their name, add any notes, and then sign using their finger or a stylus. Once their name and signature have been provided, they can press Submit. The tablet will then receive confirmation and the resource can complete the job as normal. Setup and configuration. When logged in as an administrator, go to My Account, Administration, General Account Settings. Under Jobs on Device, note 3 settings which relate to remote signing. Note how the QR and sharing link options are set to Yes by default to allow you to use this feature right away. You can make changes to the settings if needed. Booking site configuration. As the booking site is used to capture signatures, you will want to ensure this is set up correctly. Please note, customers do not need to log into the booking site to use this feature. First, we will begin by copying the logo to use on the booking site. Select and copy the text from the URL of your logo. Next, under Account, select Booking Site and paste the URL into the logo URL box. Finally, add your company name after the / in web address before saving your changes. Another mobile workforce management solution from JobWatch, powered by BigChange.